Video we will see how we will expand and use the identity a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we are going to expand to x plus 3y whole square using this identity. Now we will use the identity given above, a square. In place of a square we will write 2x whole square plus, in place of b square we will write 3y whole square now plus 2ab. Here 2 into, in place of a we will write 2x into, in place of b we will write 3y. Now we have put these values in the identity. Now we will write their values. 2x whole square, it will become 4x square plus 3y square, square of 3 is 9, so it will become 9y square, and for 2ab, 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, it will become 12xy. Now we will see how we can expand if one of the numbers is given in fraction. Now we are going to take another example here. 1 upon 2 x plus 3 bracket close whole square. Now we are going to use the same identity to expand this 1 by 2x plus 3 whole square. Now here in place of a we have 1 by 2x, so it will become, first we will put it in the identity, 1 upon 2 x, we have to write x here, bracket close, square plus a square. In place of a square we have written 1 by 2x whole square. Now in place of b square we will write 3 square, since we have 3 in place of b here, plus 2ab, 2 into 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 x into 3. Now we will write their values by now 1 by 2x whole square will become 1 upon square root of 2 is 4, it will become 1 upon 4 x square plus 3 square will become 9, it will become 9. Now plus 2 will get cancelled, it will become 3x. So we have seen that expansion of 1 by 2x plus 3 whole square is 1 by 4x square plus 9 plus 3x. Now we will use this identity to find the square of any number. So we have to find the square of 14 here. We can directly find the square of 12 of 14. We are taking 14 here. We have to find the square of 14 by using this identity. We can find the square of 14 directly by multiplying 14 by 14. But we will use the identity to find the square of 14. For this we will write 10 plus 4 in bracket. In place of 14 we will write 10 plus 4 bracket close, then square here. Okay, now we will write a square plus b square plus 2ab. In place of a we have 10 bracket close, square plus 4 square. Since in place of b we have 4 square plus 2ab means 2 into 10 into 4. Now square of 10 is 100 plus square of 4 is 16 plus square now 2 into 10 into 4 to the 8 10 the 80. Now we will add this value 10 plus 16 plus 18. It will become 196. In this way we have seen how we can use the identity a plus b whole square to expand the values given in bracket or find the square of any number. We will see how we can find